I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You're doing a factory reset now. First, make sure the Nest camera is on the original power adapter and receiving stable power. Once ready, locate the tiny reset button or pinhole on the camera body. Press and hold that reset button, then reconnect power if instructed by your model. Keep holding for about 10 to 15 seconds. You're looking for a change in the status light. This tells you the camera recognized the reset command and is starting the wipe process. Once the hold triggers, watch the LED closely. It should show a solid yellow, then transition to a blinking blue or a specific reset pattern for your model. Release the button when you hear a chime or the LED indicates factory mode, because that confirms the camera erase settings. Make sure you allow 2 to 3 minutes for the camera to fully reboot and recreate its default network state before trying to add it back into Google Home. After reboot, open Google Home and select Add Device, then follow the on-screen camera setup steps. You'll scan the QR code or accept the Bluetooth pairing when prompted. Make sure you pick the correct Wi-Fi band. Many Nest wired cameras need 2.4 GHz, and enter the password carefully. If setup still fails, perform the reset again, power cycle the router and camera, and use the original power adapter. These fixes address the vast majority.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.